Yo, so today, bro, I'm about to go ahead and check out how many views you need to be a full-time YouTuber, because I ain't gonna lie, or a content creator, because I ain't gonna cap. That's the goal. That's really been what I was really been on, bro. I just been getting fired from my jobs for making content at work, so I've been like trying to go all in with this content stuff. So I'm trying to see exactly how many views we got. Let's do this reactatron. Oh my, let's get it. Wow, you feel me?
Man, it's your boy Avery B.
Shout out to my family AB Academy for the
you see
video.
from behind me,
Original link in the description. Whoa.
We got a presentation whiteboard video for you guys. In specific, I'm about to teach you how many views you need in order to quit your job. Let's underline, quit your job. Because if you like me, you don't like working there. You want to do something creative with your time that's also going to bring you some of that money. Before we get into this, let me explain my exact story. If you guys don't know, I quit my job 6 years ago using this exact formula. And if you stay tuned to the end of the video, I guarantee if you do the same thing, you will quit your job comfortably and effectively. Let's get
Let's figure this out, bro.
Straight into it.
Let's see.
First, before we tell you how many views you need to quit your job, let's talk about how much a job actually pays, right? So I'm going to use real numbers, right? The job that I was working at paid me approximately $2,000 per month, right? So if my job paid me $2,000 per month, let's break this down into YouTube terms. Now, YouTube revenue is the formula views divided by 1,000.
Hold on, 2,000 per month. Hold on, I'm trying to figure out. I mean, maybe in 2020, I'm trying to figure out like that's like 500 a week. Okay, that's like about okay. You feel me? I'm thinking because me personally, that's like relatable. You feel me? It's not like some crazy like a high salary job. You feel me? This is actually some real shit. I feel like. I mean, I don't have a job right now, but when I did have a job, I mean, I feel like I was making about the same amount for real.
Times your CPM equals how much money you got from that video. Now, if you want to be like technical, it's really times RPM, but a lot of people don't know that word, you know. CPM is the more like thrown around term that people can understand. But the difference between RPM and CPM is what it actually is versus RPM is your cut. Think of it like on your job W-2, you get your pre-tax versus your taxed income. This is basically YouTube taking their money. YouTube got to eat too, right? But that's neither here nor there. So we're going to say revenue equals views divided by 1,000 times RPM. That is your revenue. So to make sure that you further understand this, we're going to give an example, right? 100,000 views, like we see 100,000 views divided by 1,000, same number, times $10. Now, the reason that we're going to say a $10 RPM is because that's typically around the range that it be, depending on your channel. Different channels have different niches, have different RPMs and CPMs. This is a typical one if you're not doing no crazy stuff. You know, I don't know what you into, man, but around $10 should be around what you see. Go look at your YouTube analytics to see this exact number. Also, we're using $10 because it's an easy number to multiply and divide. You know, I am a YouTube teacher, not a math teacher. That's not what we do over here. We $10, my guy. So if we take this formula through, 100,000 divided by 1,000 times $10 equals.
But honestly, these maths, it was a lot. Like it was a lot of numbers right there.
You guessed it. 1,000 smackaroo.
So you get 100,000 views, you get $1,000?
Meaning, if you was to get 100,000 views on anything, it could be one video, 2 videos, 5 videos, 100 videos you posted that month. If you was to get 100,000 views, you would.
That's $1,000. I didn't mean to clap, bro. I don't do that clapping shit, bro. Rewind. But nah, look, the $1,000 though, it per se. It don't matter how many videos it takes. So let's say your videos might not even be getting that many views. You might gotta post 100 videos that all get 1,000 views each. You might gotta post 200 videos to get that $1,000. You might gotta post a 500. You never know. Some people gotta post one. Some people tell me you gotta post one video. You never know, bro. But I mean, shit. I post as much as you can. Keep posting them videos so you get to 100,000. Hold on, I got something. Oh. Whoa. We good. But nah, man. Honestly, bro, right now, my channel, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm averaging about, I think, like, we can just go check it out, bro. I think I'm averaging like 7,000 views a month. I ain't even gonna go look at it. I mean, we could look at it. I'm probably getting like 7,000 views a month. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, yo. Quick channel stats. I don't even say. But I'm pretty sure that's what it is, 7,000 views. This right here says, I don't really even say exactly. But I'm just pretty much sharing, bro. I'm far from that right now, but I'm glad to grind. About to show you how to lock in, bro. We're gonna see if this really works. We're gonna see if this works, bro. Because if I'm at 7,000 views per month at what I'm doing right now, I gotta do a big change to get to 100,000 views. That's like 10 times as much, you feel me? More than 10 times as much views. And that's just to get 1,000 when, you know, we need real bills. We're trying to get to that 2,000. So it's like, you feel me? We gotta put up like 20 times the effort. But I'm here to say, bro, maybe if you get 1% better each day, it's possible.
You'll get $1,000. That's why long form is key. A lot of people like, whoa, I just got 100,000 views on my short form and ain't get short form, bro. Long form is key, man. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm gonna teach you how to do long form videos more effectively, right? But let's go to the goal. Now, as we said, we made $2,000 a month at this job. So when the goal is 2,000, right? Let's see. $2,000 a month, right? So if we put everything as we just seen into this formula, what it would be is
200,000
your goal
views.
is 2,000. We're gonna put it down here. You will need how many views in order to get 2,000? You guessed it. You so smart, man. 200,000. You so
Bro,
smart.
This is easy math.
You guessed it at home. So as y'all can see, you need 200,000 views.
That's not even that bad. You really think about it, it's not even that crazy.
2,000. Now I know y'all think this is the end of the video, but it's not. I don't recommend you quit your job if you only making $2,000 because your job paid $2,000. You need to calculate this as 4,000 to keep your job. But that didn't mean I clickbaited you, because I'm actually gonna show you how much you need to quit your job. Before we do that, let's get this eraser, because you're gonna need more than this, buddy. You know, we're gonna get a little bit more than that, man. You know,
wait, I'm not even at that yet. I don't even have the job.
We're gonna put these zeros back up here because we're using whole numbers, you know. So I recommend you quit your job when you can comfortably 3x that number, right?
3x the number.
246. $6,000 a month is when you should quit that job.
Oh my!
600,000 views a month is when you should quit that job. And like I said, we make $6,000 per month. That means you have to be making 3 times the amount that you make at that job before you even consider quitting. And before you ask, hey B, why are you telling me I gotta make 3 times more? I want to do it right now. You ain't quit when you was making 3 times more. Actually, I quit when I was making like 3.4 times more, nigga. I was making $2,000 a month at the job, and I quit my job when I seen physically that I was making like $7,400 that next month, bro. I was like, all right, cool, I'm out of here, bro. And I ain't looked back since,
$7,400 in a
I have wholehearted faith in you that you will be able to do this, right? But I also have wholehearted faith that if you want to do this faster, all you have to do is click the link in the description and get my help. I'll see you guys later.
Hey, yo. Bruh. Well, Y'all heard it there, bro. Let me his course. We're gonna have to see. Maybe I gotta get in the course and maybe do a record, like a review. Let me see if it really work, bro. I don't know, bro. Let me know in the comments, bro. All right, wow. Let's go.